these aren't just nearly empty buildings. It's where advocates continue to work for victims on some of the worst days of their lives. It's where attorneys, investigators, diversion caseworkers, and support staff continue fighting for justice for some of the most vulnerable in our community. It's where a team of people continue dedicating their lives to serving others, even during a pandemic. It's where a work family continues to hold one another up during these uncertain times. And it's a place where we'll continue showing up so that we can continue serving this great community.